Welcome back. Many women breastfeed their babies, but what happens when you go back to work? What are your rights if you plan to pump while you are away from baby? Courtney Garish exploring that issue tonight at 10. Right now, she's joined by employment attorney Janet Hines to talk more about this issue. Courtney?
Thanks, Steve. This is really becoming an issue now, Janet, as more and more women are in successful positions in the workplace. Working moms trying to do it all. I was surprised when we got talking about this that there is such a gray area when it comes to what the employers have to provide to employees.
Yes, it's really only been in recent years, most particularly with the passage of the Affordable Care Act, that there have been some very specific protections for women. There has to be a private place. There are protections for your breaks, so you don't have to use all of them up just to do that, and things like that.
So the work that you do is key here. I mean, it's salaried versus hourly. And you were saying that if you're clocking in and out, that's a lot of times where women are having issues with employers?
Right, right. And the problem becomes if you have to spend all of your time clocking in and out to do your breast pumping, then obviously you're not getting really the break that's due you under federal law. And, the breaks are there to help employees rest and recuperate and be able to do their job, because usually we're talking about factory workers, manufacturing, something that involves physical labor.
And so some women, they get to take the time they need, no questions asked. Others, if they're on the clock, they're punching out in order to pump.
Right, and it's much more discretionary for salaried employees, and usually we don't see women having near as much of a problem that way, but there are still employers that don't understand what their obligations are under the law.
So quickly, we're almost out of time. Where do you see this going as far as a change being made to better protect women?
My hope is that it continues to improve for women, because we've really been in the dark ages of that for so many years.
All right, Janet Hines, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Paying to breastfeed, you ask, we investigate. We want to know what you think. Go to our TMJ4 Facebook page, again, and weigh in on this topic. Coming up tonight at 10, paying to breastfeed.
It's something I have to do, and I just don't feel like I should have to pay for it.
This Bayview mother just wants to breastfeed her baby, but she says her employer is treating her unfairly. It's a battle with the boss. All moms will want to see. That's tonight at 10.